This method is straightforward, but can be a powerful tool for deciding when to open trading positions. Next, I'll show you how effective this strategy can be. The RSI Cobra system is one of the easiest and most effective RSI trading strategies out there. It helps you understand market conditions and gives you highly accurate trading signals. I truly believe that if you learn everything I cover in this video, you can become a successful trader. So, by the end of this tutorial, you won't have any doubts about when to enter a profitable market. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy and to make the most out of it. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. A very important point before we start. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto, because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. As you can see on this chart, the RSI Cobra system does a great job of reading market trends. The Cobra moving average acts like a wall, helping us identify key support and resistance zones. Since this Cobra moving average serves as an important support and resistance level, traders can use it to find highly accurate signals. This area is one of the best spots to trade for maximum profit. If you trade correctly in this zone, you have a strong chance of making big profits compared to the risks involved. In this video, I'll teach you how to spot the best signals so you can maximize your profits in forex, stocks, and crypto. Next, I'll show you how to set up the Cobra moving average to help you identify those key support and resistance zones. Let's get started. First, let's set up the 50-period simple moving average and apply it to the closing prices. This is the basic setting for the Cobra moving average. I recommend using the 50-period simple moving average because, in my 10 years of experience as a stock and money market analyst, I've found it to be one of the best periods to use. The market tends to react significantly to this line. However, feel free to adjust the moving average period based on the market you're analyzing. It's important to remember that choosing the right moving average period is crucial for this strategy, so take it seriously. I'm using the 50-period setting in this tutorial because it works well across many markets. If you're looking for a general guideline, the 50-period simple moving average is a great choice for all traders. Next, let's set up the 50-period simple moving average for both the high and low prices. This is an important step because it helps create a moving average area, which is where support and resistance zones are found. By defining this area, traders can easily spot market trends and identify support and resistance levels. A single moving average line can make it hard to see if the price is in a support or resistance zone, but this method makes it clearer. The 50-period simple moving average, applied to the high, creates a line above the main moving average. This line marks the upper boundary of the support and resistance area. On the other hand, the 50-period simple moving average, applied to the low, creates a line below the main moving average, marking the lower boundary of that area. Now you have your Cobra moving average lines. If you decide to change the 50-period to, say, a 34-period simple moving average, you'll also need to adjust the high and low settings to match. It's pretty simple, right? Now, I'd like you to check out the effectiveness and accuracy of the Cobra moving average lines in the market. As you can see on this chart, look at cross 1. When the price breaks through the Cobra moving average from top to bottom, these lines act as a strong resistance zone. We can see that when the price tries to move up through the Cobra moving average, it fails and drops sharply. Then at cross 2, the price successfully breaks through from bottom to top. After this successful break, the price shoots up quickly without any hesitation. Next, at cross 3, after a rapid rise, the price comes back down and breaks through the Cobra moving average from top to bottom. This leads to an immediate drop. But then, the price breaks through from bottom to top again, and this time it climbs strongly. As we can see, the Cobra moving average lines are seen by the market as significant zones, prompting strong reactions whenever the price interacts with them. Next, I'll show you an amazing combination of the RSI and moving average indicators that you might not know about. This is one of the best pairings, and it's essential to understand it fully. As you can see on this chart, we're using a combination of the RSI and simple moving average indicators in our trading setup. This combination provides some key insights at a glance. First, RSI position relative to the moving average. If the RSI line is above the moving average line, it indicates a bullish market. Conversely, if the RSI line is below the moving average line, the market is in a bearish condition. Second, moving average position relative to the 50 level. If the moving average line is above the 50 level, the market is trending bullish. If it's below the 50 level, then the market is bearish. Third, RSI position relative to the 50 level. If the RSI line is above the 50 level, the market is in a bullish trend. If the RSI line is below the 50 level, it signals a bearish condition. Sticking to the rules of this RSI and moving average combination is crucial. By being disciplined with these guidelines, you can enhance your trading accuracy. You can also adjust to periods of the moving average and RSI to fit this strategy better. Next, I'm going to show you the most important things about combining the RSI and simple moving average indicators on our trading chart. This includes how to set up these indicators. 14 period, RSI. This is the basic setup of the simple moving average and RSI in our chart. We use the 14 period RSI because it's the standard setting that most professional traders and investors around the world rely on. So, there's no need to change it. As I mentioned earlier, we just need to focus on the position of the RSI line in relation to the 50 level in the moving average line. If the RSI line is above 50, we should look for buy signals. On the other hand, if the RSI line is below 50, we focus on sell signals. 50 period simple moving average. This 50 period simple moving average line is different from the one we use in the main window. In the main window, we apply the 50 period simple moving average to the closing prices. In the sub window, however, we apply the 50 period simple moving average to the data from the 14 period RSI. This allows us to analyze market trends and trading signals using both indicators together. If the 50 period simple moving average line is above 50, it indicates a bullish market. If it's below 50, the market is bearish. This same principle applies to the RSI line. The crossover between the 14 period RSI and the 50 period simple moving average. Now that we understand the positions of the RSI and simple moving average relative to the 50 level, let's analyze the crossover between the 14 period RSI and the 50 period simple moving average. The rule is simple. If the 14 period RSI crosses from below to above the 50 period simple moving average, it signals that a bullish trend is starting. On the other hand, if the 14 period RSI crosses from above to below the 50 period simple moving average, it indicates that a bearish trend is beginning. This method is straightforward, but can be a powerful tool for deciding when to open trading positions, especially when combined with other signals we've discussed earlier. Next, I'll show you how effective this strategy can be. Now that we've covered all the key parts of this strategy, let's put them together into a simple and effective trading plan. Buy signal. First, the price is rising and is above the Cobra moving average. Second, the 50 period simple moving average is above 50. Third, the 14 period RSI is also above 50. Fourth, the price pulls back, shown by the 14 period RSI dipping below the 50 period simple moving average, while that average stays above 50. Fifth, the 14 period RSI then rises again, crossing above the 50 period simple moving average. This signals that the bullish trend is continuing, and it's time to enter the market. Sixth, open a buy position on the next candle. Seventh, set a stop loss at the nearest swing low. As you can see, after we opened a buy position, the price continued to rise smoothly, giving us a great profit. Sell signal. First, the price is going down and is below the Cobra moving average. Second, the 50 period simple moving average is below 50. Third, the 14 period RSI is also below 50. Fourth, the price pulls back, shown by the 14 period RSI rising above the 50 period simple moving average, while that average stays below 50. Fifth, the 14 period RSI then drops back down, crossing below the 50 period simple moving average. This means the bearish trend is continuing, and it's time to enter the market. Sixth, open a sell position on the next candle. Seventh, Set a stop loss at the nearest swing high. As you can see, once we opened the sell position, the price continued to drop smoothly, giving us a nice profit. This strategy is easy to use and often leads to significant gains with every trading signal. What's even better about this RSI Cobra system is that you can tweak it to fit your own style. I've explained this combination clearly, so I'm confident you'll be able to implement it on your trading platform. This should be simple enough. Or, in this video, I've included a template with the system that you can simply upload to your chart, and it will automatically plot all these indicators perfectly on your charts, so there's nothing for you to worry about. Get the download link on the description. As always, if you learned something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video across your WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, or X to show your support. See you next time.